whether it's up in the air or down on the ground. Asset availability is critical to warfighter readiness and mission success. However, aging fleets, experienced maintainer shortfall, inadequate parts supplies, and a host of other reasons make it difficult for personnel to maintain large and complex fleets, all of which impact readiness. SparkCognition Government Systems, the first full-spectrum artificial intelligence company devoted entirely to government and national defense, has developed the Digital Maintenance Advisor product, a prescriptive maintenance and supply chain management solution that predicts problems, prescribes fixes, and enhances decision-making for increased asset availability. The Digital Maintenance Advisor product leverages AI and natural language processing to identify faults and prescribe fixes for a variety of assets, including aircraft, ground systems, naval vessels, and more. By ingesting and analyzing unstructured data, both historic and real-time, from disparate sources, including maintenance databases, work instructions and log files, and other sources, the Digital Maintenance Advisor product delivers critical insights that allow personnel to enjoy a wide range of benefits. With the Digital Maintenance Advisor product, defense customers can expect to reduce the time to diagnose and fix maintenance issues, reduce the time to trace fault codes and quickly recommend the best corrective actions, gain a more accurate picture of required inventory to maintain assets, simplify workflows and increase overall process efficiency, and upskill their maintainers by capturing tribal knowledge, enabling better training and skill development. In one use case, the Digital Maintenance Advisor product analyzed 52,000 pull and replace maintenance actions and identified that 73% were unnecessary based on data-driven root cause analysis, saving both time and money on repairs. To learn more about how the Digital Maintenance Advisor product increases fleet availability and improves warfighter readiness, contact us at info@sparkgov.ai.